A home inventory is a detailed record of your belongings that can be used to support insurance claims after a loss. It may speed up your claim and help prevent you from being underinsured. Here's a quick guide to creating yours. First, document high-value items like jewelry, electronics, and appliances. Next, group smaller items that would collectively be costly to replace by category, such as clothing or kitchen equipment. For each item, be sure to note the description, serial number, purchase date, and price, and attach any receipts or warranty information. Once finished, save your inventory in a fireproof safe or upload to the cloud so you can easily access it if disaster strikes. A home inventory should be a living document, updated at least once a year and whenever you purchase expensive new items. Preparing a home inventory requires an initial investment of time, but it can save significant time, money, and stress later. Visit our website to learn more.